Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 4, and in today's lesson, we're going to explore one of the most asked questions. Should I use the Coohom Desktop version or the online version? We'll break it down by testing both versions using the same room design to compare rendering quality, speed, features, and performance. Let's settle the debate. Which one is best for you? Coohom Online version test. Let's start by opening the Coohom Online version. If you followed the previous videos, you already know how to access and launch your projects. Let's open a new project and begin by drawing a simple bedroom layout. Next, we'll head to the public library, click on Furniture, and search for a bed. We'll drag and place a complete bed set into the room. Now, let's add a window to bring in natural light and improve the atmosphere, and also render perfectly. Then, we move to the Render tab, adjust the render settings, and hit Generate. Result? Super smooth. No lag, even online, and the rendering completed within minutes. The quality? Absolutely stunning. Coohom Desktop version test. Now, let's switch over to the Coohom Desktop version. Once it opens, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credential. The Coohom dashboard will open. Next, we'll create a new project. Now we'll draw the same bedroom, add the bed set from the library, adjust the bed, then set up the render just like before. Side-by-side comparison. Let's take a look at both renders side by side. As you can see, both versions deliver excellent results, whether online or desktop. The choice really depends on your workflow and system specs. The online version of Coohom is accessible from any device with an internet connection, making it ideal for designers and clients on the move. It supports real-time collaboration, offers fast rendering for quick updates, and features a user-friendly interface with a wide library of furniture and decor items. On the other hand, the desktop version provides a more stable and distraction-free workspace. It may also include advanced features. However, the online version requires a stable internet connection, while desktop performance benefits from higher system specs. Ultimately, the best choice depends on personal preference and project needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. And don't forget, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HD Elite, valid from August 13th to August 24th, so grab the deal now. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. So stay tuned, and as always, happy designing!